In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable a restricted mode on TikTok application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app, and once it is done, just stop right here to go to your profile page. Now guys, we need to tap at these three lines just like that, and then down below here just tap at settings and privacy. Now here we need to scroll down until at content and display. Here you will find content preferences option. Now we need to enter it, and that's where we can easily find this restricted mode option, which is currently enabled, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily disable it. So actually it is a very simple process, because all we have to do is just enter it. Right there it says that restricted mode feature allows us to limit videos that may be inappropriate for some people, and here down below we can easily turn this mode off by tapping right here. Now guys, to turn off restricted mode we need to enter a passcode we had entered while activating it. I know that passcode, so I can just enter it here, and then I'm gonna hit next. And now here to continue we can choose any option from that list. Let's say still show inappropriate content, and then just hit at submit. Now as you can see, restricted mode is turned off. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.